Mukasa, wagwan, my brother. Requests muziteke mu comment section. Yeah. Owen agambye I need a help in my absence. Bafumba chai. Ate kati eri amasanze gatuvudde kate tugafumbira wanene kati. Background sound simanyi kali steady. Owen, I need a help in my absence. A helper might be Mukasa because he might do my work very well. I've tried to train him well, but waliwo ebibulamu. Investing.com wagwan. Ale kasaka background kabera kiri yatusawule. Kale, this is our fundamental analysis. And njali numa unansonyo weda ntambo. Agana bangi. This is my FX book, and tulinonya kike tuyita economic calendar. Mukitegeera bulungi nnyo, but ndikugezagezaako okudilayinga nga tulinda abalala naye tebajja. Abalala tebajja. Kati tujoininge ku YouTube, tuli live ku YouTube. Join us. Kale tutandike. Wamama muli kwetegereza, tomorrow we're having, what are we having? On USD, Fed Powell will be speaking. Fed Powell will be speaking. At what time? 3 remaining minutes or hours, 4 hours remaining. Okay? CHF, high impact news. We are looking for high impact news. Euro. Tomorrow during London session, we got Euro. So I can share link a link by joining. So if you're earning tuligenda kola ka technical analysis. Tugenda kola ka technical analysis. But I just wanted us to okay, let's proceed. Mazoba sharingira abo tebatulumya mutwe Baruku Geoffred Kasese. Ulabo oyingiddewo. Now, tomorrow we got high impact news on CHF. Mechanic Donald ogambo tya muganda wange. Medium news on GBP. I think still during the London session. But tomorrow there is a lot of liquidity and there is going to be a lot of momentum, because if you're to be seeing euro, unemployment rate in euro. I think tomorrow if you are to be trading, we are going to be live trading euro during the London session, and I honestly request you guys to kereko sawa by bidi ngatuli active chats. Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Webale kujja papa. Tomorrow tukereko sawa bidi tubere ngatuli ku chats in share hala such that tusobola cashing moves. We do analysis live waneno ku YouTube. So ababali mweri group analysis bogenda kuchanga mwali. What else? Euro still, GBP, low impact news in the coming hours, and still CAD, S&P Global, 18 hours from now, which means it will be tomorrow evening. This will this week will be like Ugandan economy. Okay. And tomorrow we have USD ISM manufacturing PMI. So I think the whole week we are going to be live trading, actively live trading. Actively doing what? Live trading. You understand? So on Tuesday, what are we having? AUD China, Euro, unemployment change for May on Euro. Which economy is this? Spain. It's the Spanish economy. We are going to see how Spain is being affected, and even the unemployment rate for tomorrow. Even tomorrow's unemployment, it will be Spain, and we are going to see which country is that for tomorrow. Let's first give a look at the highlights. Inflation still on Euro. Tuesday, we got inflation year over year. Now this is gonna be simple. Njaba igizenge analyzing inflation. Euro CPI is still on Tuesday. What the fuck? Kali tugende bino mbadde sinababbira abo wodda ndaboli awogana Owen nga awogana Owen. Now on Wednesday, S&P Global NQ Nasdaq. NQ what do you mean? Ompadde gundi ensumbu wakati obwongo buli mu birala nnyo bugatta. GDP growth on AUD Niche Dictionary explaining bulungi nnyo. Euro on Wednesday. I'm seeing high impact news still on Euro Wednesday. Nasdaq. I knew it's Nasdaq. And this very week we're having CPI. So in a week we're wait, we might even get a serious consolidation. If not a serious consolidation, we are getting high momentum candles. I'm going to analyze it for you, Bapa. And so on. We got CPI. Right? Now, tutandike technicals. Sentiments sizitunudde nako. Sentiments sizitunudde nako. USD card. Oh, sorry. This is USD card, Papa. And ngawe nabagamba nti when you're analyzing for the week, you first start with the weekly time frame. If you're forecasting your week, first start with your weekly time frame and you see where your bias is. Now, the reason as why we at this level we are looking for the bias, and as I told you last time, the reason as why I marked this level, it was pretty simple. So it was because of this level. And level, yes, marking because I got out liquidity, and this was much target. If you're to be looking at this setup, ogenda kulaba nti gundi momentum yonna however much it says that it's bullish, but you can say that it's really what? Bearish. Why? Because after this market closing within this area, however much it didn't even cross the 50% range for this imbalance. It's a weekly time frame, right? But if you're to be seeing analytically, this market is still going down. Ogiraba bulungi ekyakola ki ekyagenda wansi. This is the monthly what? Tutandise omwezi omupya. We are starting a new month tomorrow. Kati bw'oba nti oli kulaba nga eno market yatandika bwenti, bw'oba nti oli mugezigezi neno level oyinza obutagiseeringira obutagibayingirako, you just look for sales still within this area or still within this range. Because why? Why am I saying so? I'm just looking at this momentum, this bullish move, bearish move towards this side, and the type of liquidity which is in this area. Remember, mind you, this is a monthly time frame right now. It's where I am. But why am I using these time frames? It's because I'm looking for the bias. I'm just looking for the bias. Now, let's switch direct to the 4-hour chart. I'm not even looking at the daily chart, but for instance, let me just open the daily chart. We show people tubalage. Eno market yalinnya netuuka mu zino areas. It came back to these areas. But if you're to be seeing well, the market is really bearish. We are going down. And right now, if I'm to say that we are going down, we just need to look for selling opportunities, selling entries. Euros, it's okay. Nasdaq, just put in your requests, just put in your comments. Nasdaq, Euro, USD, it's okay. Now, abasinga kumwe, if we are to be selling, like if we are gonna be selling, these levels are really important. These levels are really important, but we are going to expect some short-term buys at this level. And however much it buys, when the moment it opens, we are selling. Mukasankuko to the siku zaako mukono. Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq. Hope you know the Nasdaq shares. Hope you know the Nasdaq shares. Previously, actually, I wasn't in this group while I wasn't doing a live stream. But the guys whom I were talking to, I told them Nasdaq is going to buy to these areas. And these areas, we might experience some good spike because this level wasn't all that respected. This was a selling area. And if this is so, if we are to be selling at this area and it was manipulated, the market retraced, which means we are experiencing sales at this level. This is the alternative level. Some members might ask why I decided to choose this level. Don't you see that this high, this low, and this high, they relate? They do relate. So that's why I'm using it. And if we are to break above this level, we retest on it, we are buying up to this level. Then from this level, we shall experience some good what? Some good sales. Some what? Some sales. But for you guy, niche the dictionary. To be getting enough information about the Nasdaq, you need to do a lot of technical and fundamental analysis because Nasdaq is highly driven by fundamentals. They are not like commodities. They're not like commodity shares, gold, what? No, Papa. Those are real companies. You have to monitor their stocks, what? That's what you really need to do. Understand, members? Nasdaq. I mean niche edition. I hope I've finalized each and everything because remember audio output. My audio is not clear. Audio wange wapata clear. Am I clear right now? Nzajjayo microphone nenjizaayo nga nina gwe nnyomba nayo. I'm waiting for your reply in the comment section. Is my audio clear? Am I audible? Okay, if I'm okay, let's proceed now. Your USD. And Euro USD. Those ones who are dealing with Euro USD to remove buys, Mozilla. A weekly time frame. A weekly time frame. This is a weekly time frame, and you can see that this frag actually it wasn't all that strong. You can see the type of candles it had printed, all it was printing. It signaled weakness in the market. And if you're to see this bullish candle the other previous week, it decided and it showed that the market momentum for buyers it was really strong. And you can see this rejection. Ever much it's a bearish one, but we don't rule out the pin bar roll. We shouldn't rule out the pin bar roll that ever much it's bearish, but in direction correlating to your analysis, you have to just follow the principles. This is a highly time frame. This is a higher time frame. And to those ones who are trading Euro USD, I think this was our previous analysis, right? Somewhere there. Euro USD is very bullish. It's bullish. And level to get on price level. You can look at it. It's 1.13605. That's the price level. I would read and since we are trading euro, Let's look at this level to those ones, all to our brothers who are trading transnight. Let's look at gold. This is gold. And as I told you all, I told you that it's going to come to this level, we buy. This is what had happening. This is what was happening. And if you're to be buying, wait, you're going again to buy at this level. Woman money patterns, you can see this pattern. You can look at it, no love. You're going to buy again at this level, these levels. That's where we are going to buy again. BTC USD. Your request, put it in the comment section. This is Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin. Tekyandetagisiza ate nkubeera nnyindala wane eno because already this level already yakoze dda yabikoze, so eno ye level gyebadde erina okukomako. You think why you would it again drop down to these levels, yet this one didn't pull out any type of liquidity? So it was this high which was all that strong, and that's why it respected it. So if we are to be trading again, we have to wait for it to print another setup. But right now, setups are done. It has already utilized the one. Because even this one, this area, that's another good one. That's another good one. Any requests in the comment section before I close up? Mbeewo ndaba aba analysis group, mbeewo ndaba n'abali ebweru. I wish we call it a night. Tukeereremu ku mirimu gyaffe. I think let me wish you a good night. Sula bulungi.